Hola amigos, we're in New York City. Just flew out here overnight from Los Angeles and ready to explore New York City once again, now with a drone. Last time I came here was New Year's Eve 2020, one of the last great celebrations before the pandemic. Got my drone in summer of 2020. Now I get to fly around and show you all these wonderful views from above. We're going to be hitting Brooklyn, Dumbo, the Brooklyn Bridge, Manhattan, Central Park, the Guggenheim Museum, and a few other famous landmarks you can't miss in New York. So stay tuned. Let's go on this 3-day adventure around New York City. We're at the Brooklyn Bridge, chilling out. Probably one of my favorite areas to check out in New York City just because it has the best view for sunset, sunrise, any time of day. Also nice just to go for a walk without all the crazy, busy cityness around you, above, around, everywhere. It's definitely my go-to first thing I'm doing, and I recommend you check it out too. There's also the famous view of the Manhattan Bridge here in Dumbo. Let's go check it out. But first, I'm gonna go get some ramen. Big tip, if you're traveling anywhere, first thing to consume, ramen. Just the perfect comfort food to settle you into anywhere you are, especially after a long flight. We are in Central Park now. Always a nice getaway from all the city busyness. Lots of nature and trees to explore, run around. I just took the drone flight and whizzed around, filming a few different buildings, but this is definitely somewhere I suggest you definitely come when you're in New York City. There's plenty of city to go around everywhere, but there's only really one big park like this. The weather is getting colder. You can't tell by my getup. I'm well prepared. But there's a forecast tomorrow for 99% chance of snow, which I'm super excited for. Not most New Yorkers would say that, but I'm only in town for a day, so that's pretty exciting. We'll see if that follows through. Hopefully get some nice snow moments in for this vlog, and maybe I'll have to come back to Central Park because that's where all the snow will fall and settle. Stay tuned. Buenos dias, amigos. It's snowing. Just woke up in Bushwick, Brooklyn, New York, to some fresh snowfall. I haven't had a snow day in about 2 years since I was living in Seattle and kind of skipped last winter to have a second summer in Brazil and Costa Rica. So this is super precious. I love snow days, and it's not even that cold. I can't even see the city from this rooftop, but I think I'm gonna go into the city to see how the snow falls through Central Park and just have a good old snow day. I get one snow day this year. Let's rock it. Look at these little trees. Well, that's a wrap, amigos. We are done filming in New York City. I just finished a very special music video tour project for New York. We did one in LA, New York. In the next coming episodes and travels, we'll be hitting Mexico City and Puerto Rico. So stay tuned for some more vlogs and super cool cinematic views from these Latin places that are very close to my heart. Being from Puerto Rico and having visited Mexico before, I love it so much, and I'm so excited to return and film some more for you all. Hope you enjoyed the New York adventures through Central Park, Brooklyn, Bushwick. We checked out the Vessel, Grand Central Station, the entire New York City skyline. Truly a beautiful place. And how lucky are we to have gotten at least one snow day to check out what that looks like. As you can tell, it's currently still snow day. I am layered up and ready for some Florida heat. Yep, going back to Florida tomorrow morning, but stay tuned for the next episodes with Mexico City and Puerto Rico. We might even have a special guest joining us, so see you there.